Hello, lovely YouTube family. What's going on? A financial statistic called net worth can help you keep your financial situation in perspective. In this instance, the average net worth by age measures the amount of net worth of American households divided by the number of households. Since a household can contain a single person or a big group of people, households are often used in metrics instead of individuals. Age often increases net worth, since you earn more money, possess more property, and possibly have less debt. Here, we'll break down the net worth of the entire population by age bracket. Let's get started without wasting any time. Average net worth by age. Your age has a significant impact on your net worth. Over time, people frequently increase the value of some assets. Compound interest, in which interest earns more interest on itself, is one way to grow retirement savings. Home equity, which is the value of your house less any outstanding debt on your loan, also tends to rise over time. Average net worth for people in their 20s. The average net worth for people in their 20s is $56,984, and the median net worth is $6,500. The median net worth, however, paints a different picture. For young people just finishing college and beginning their jobs, the average net worth appears to be fairly good. The median more properly depicts the wealth distribution throughout the population. In a collection of numbers, the median is the value that falls in the middle. Therefore, while half of the survey's respondents in their 20s had assets worth more than $6,500, the median net worth of the other half is lower. Since of their starting income, many people in their 20s cannot save much money because they are burdened with college loans. However, it's crucial to save money, ideally 10% or more, for future requirements like an emergency fund, a down payment for a home, and retirement. Even while retirement may seem far off, the sooner you start saving, the more compound interest will work in your favor and enable you to gradually increase your net worth. Average net worth for people in their 30s. The average net worth for people in their 30s is $174,002, and the median net worth is $32,600. Yet again, the median figure is substantially lower than the average, which is distorted by a small number of wealthy individuals at the top. The amount you should have saved as a multiple of your income for retirement at this point is up to debate among experts. Depending on who you ask, you should have saved the equivalent of your annual income by the time you were 30, but if you wait until you're 35, you'll be alright. However, the data suggests that the key figure to pay attention to is the savings rate. A 9% savings rate will likely be sufficient for someone who saves for 40 years. 30 years before retirement, people should start saving, and they should set aside around 17% of their income. People who wait until they are in their mid-40s to start saving should save 36% for 20 years. According to a study, the total amount saved should provide 50% of income requirements in retirement. There are numerous competing financial priorities while you're in your 30s. Some people are still making student loan payments, whereas others are married, have kids, and live in a new house with a sizable mortgage. It's advisable to save aside 3 to 6 months' worth of income in an emergency fund to be prepared for unforeseen circumstances. If you can, think about establishing a 529 college savings plan for your kids to reduce their need for student loans in the future. Average net worth for people in their 40s. The average net worth for people in their 40s is $457,783, and the median net worth is $93,460. During this decade of life, many people are earning at or near their highest levels and rewarded for exceeding expectations, whether as top performers at work or as tenacious business owners. Of course, maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential because few individuals on their deathbeds regret having spent more time at the office. Instead of waiting till retirement, schedule family trips and take the opportunity to accomplish the things you want to do. The optimum time to take advantage of your savings opportunities in tax-free, tax-deferred, and taxable accounts is typically now. Depending on your risk tolerance, make sure to diversify your investments among stocks, bonds, and cash. Increase your deferral amount if you haven't been contributing much to your retirement account, ideally at the same rate as your income increases. This controls your lifestyle and quickly raises your net worth. After all, building up wealth provides you with more options and allows you to decide how to live your life, rather than having to depend on a paycheck to pay your bills. Net worth as you approach retirement. Let's talk about and contrast net worth as you get closer to retirement. The median net worth of people under 35 is $13,900, with an average net worth of $76,300. This is a wide age range, and you still have plenty of time until retirement to concentrate on saving. The average net worth in the 35 to 44 age group is $436,200, with a median net worth of $91,300. In your mid-40s, achieving $1 million net worth is a wonderful objective to work toward, since you have time to allow compound interest to work on your investments. You still have time before retirement to make adjustments and raise your funds if you find yourself in the red at this point. The average net worth for people in the 45 to 54 age group is $833,200, with a median net worth of $168,600. Through this age, many of life's larger expenses, such as mortgages, tuition, etc., have begun to decline, allowing you to devote even more of your salary to savings. The average net worth for people in the 55 to 64 age bracket is $1,175,900, with a median net worth of $212,500. The general rule of thumb is to have 10 times your income saved for retirement by this age, so if you and your spouse make about $110,000 a year, you may be on schedule. With a median net worth of $266,400, and the average net worth for people aged 65 to 74 is $1,217,700. Many people have already retired, or, if they're at the beginning of the age range, have just done so. This is a respectable net worth if you're in the spending mode, with your peak spending years in early retirement, since as you reach retirement age, you start spending instead of saving. You have a median net worth of $254,800 and an average net worth of $977,600 if you are over 75. Another lengthy period containing several years. Once a retiree reaches this age, they frequently don't make significant changes to their spending, assets, and income. Now the question arises, how is net worth calculated? Simply put, your net worth is your total assets less your total liabilities. It is computed by deducting what you now own from what you owe to creditors. Or, to put it another way, it is the worth of your assets after deducting all of your responsibilities and debts. Let's think about Smith. He is the owner of a $300,000 house. Smith has $150,000 in home equity that is included in his assets because his current mortgage balance is $150,000. Smith additionally owns $180,000 in credit card debt, a car loan, and his mortgage, in addition to having an investment portfolio worth $150,000. We will deduct Smith's entire liabilities, current debt, from his total assets to determine his net worth, home equity, and investment portfolio. Smith's current net worth is $120,000, when assets like his car, furniture, gadgets, jewelry, etc. aren't included. $120,000 is the result of $150,000 in home equity, plus $150,000 in investments, minus $180,000 in outstanding debt. For the head of the family that's less than 35 years old, the median net worth is $13,900, and the average net worth is $76,300. Between 35 and 44 years old, the median net worth is $91,300, and the average net worth is $436,200. Between 45 and 54 years old, the median net worth is $168,600, and the average net worth is $833,200. Between 55 and 64 years old, the median net worth is $212,500, and the average net worth is $1,175,900. And over 75 years old, the median net worth is $254,800, and the average net worth is $977,600. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about the following videos. Bye!